Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video I will be making this hair growth fertilizer. I will be making DIY vitamin C hair growth fertilizer pomade. So guys, I will be using all these fruits and veggies that you are seeing here. So I'll be using ginger, I'll be using orange peel, I will be using lime and banana, I will be using carrot, and I'll also be using apple. Okay, so now I've already grated the one that I want to grate. I cut the one that I want to cut. So here is my apple. So that's my apple, and that is my orange. This is my banana peel, and here is ginger, and the other one is carrot. Okay, so now I'm just going, all these ingredients are so good for hair growth. Like they promote healthy hair growth, they create good environment for hair growth, they stimulate your blood circulation to the scalp, and also give you a nourishing and beautiful hair. So now I'm just going to transfer everything inside this jar. Okay, if you don't want to do this process, you can blend everything, use your blender to blend everything and boil it. Add some oil to the pot, add your already blended ingredients, and add oil to any oil of your choice to it, and just cook it for some minutes. So if you don't want to go that use that process, you can use the process that I'm using right now. So guys, I'm just going to add everything inside my jar. So as you can see me doing, I'm going to pour everything inside. Thank you guys so much for coming back again to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you are here for the first time, thank you so much for coming. If you like what you see, subscribe, turn on your post notification. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming. I love you guys so much. I don't take your love for granted. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. If you just subscribe, oh my god, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you so much. Okay, so now after I put everything inside my jar, I'm just going to add my sunflower oil. Guys, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use what they call it, any oil of your choice, coconut oil, olive oil, and sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, any oil that you know you love. You can use it as you can use it in this hair grease pomade. Okay, so I'm just going to add about 7 spoons of sunflower oil to this jug right here. So I'm just going to add about 7 of this to the sunflower. Is also good for our hair. It helps to promote hair growth. It helps to give our hair, nourish our hair, protect our hair for damage and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to add about 7 spoons of that to this mixture, or to this jug, and everything inside. Okay, so after adding 7 spoon of that, I'm going to add olive oil also. Guys, I love olive oil so much. Okay, I'm going to add olive oil to it. So I made sunflower the base oil, and I just add a few spoon of olive oil to it also. Guys, you can use any oil of your choice. So guys, olive oil is all good for our hair. It helps your hair to grow really fast and healthy, give you that volume. It adds some volume to your hair and also shine to your hair. It also promotes healthy hair growth. Like olive oil is so good. Like any hair problem that you have, just try olive oil and your hair is going to be fine. It helps to keep your hair really soft, manageable, and all that good stuff. So after adding the olive oil to the already oil that I have inside the jar, I'm just going to mix everything together now. Guys, I'm going to mix and mix and mix and mix for the oil and the ingredients inside to combine together very well. So guys, this pomade is going to grow your hair like magic. Like your hair is going to love this pomade. Like your hair, carrot is so good for our hair. Carrot is so good for our hair. You can also use this pomade on your skin because it's all natural. There's no harsh ingredients inside this pomade, so you can also use it on your skin. So after mixing everything together, I'm just going to cover the jar. I'm also going to shake it very well so that everything can combine well together very well, as you can see me doing right here. If you follow this process, it's going to be so easy for you to make your own hair pomade at home, as easy as ABCD. So I'm just going to mix everything, just mix so that the oil and the ingredients inside can combine together very well, as you can see me doing right here. So now I'm just going to place this jar in already hot water in the gas. So I'm going to place the jug inside the hot water and allow it to cook for some hours. Like, I really give this thing a time to kind of boil, to infuse the nutrient inside the oil. I leave it for some couple of hours, like 4 to 5 hours, guys. So now it's time for everything. I've infused the oil. I've changed color. As you can see, the color has changed to this beautiful orange color. So now I'm just going to strain out my oil. As you can see, everything is so good, everything looks so beautiful. Now as you can see, the fruits and the veggies, they have already released the nutrients inside the oil. As you can see how they are looking like now. They do not look fresh like before. This is how you know that your oil is ready. Okay, so now I'm just going to strain out the oil. I'm going to take out my oil, then I will proceed to the next step. So guys, don't be so don't be don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to press out all the oil inside. Okay, so guys, here is my oil. You can use this on your hair just like so. It's so good on your hair and also on your skin, just like so, as it is now. So guys, this is how the oil is really looking like. Let me give you a close view of the oil, guys. So thick and beautiful. So guys, let's move to the next step. Now we are going to make our pomade. So guys, I'm going to transfer the oil inside into this big bowl, so that we are going to use to process our hair pomade. So get empty everything inside. There's nothing to waste, there's nothing to spoil. So I'm just going to see if you all come out like this, don't be scared, just put everything inside. Everything is oil, just pour everything inside the bowl, and then we will proceed to the next step. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to add some other oils to this already made oil. So I'm going to add some other oil. You can add any oil that you have at hand to this oil also. And we'll be adding almond oil, sweet almond oil to this, just a spoon of sweet almond oil, because I don't want it to be too much. If you want to make like too much, you can add as many spoon you want. So I will be making it just the one that I can use now. I can finish and make again. Okay, so you can make it as many as you want, give to your friends and family, dash out to people. So I'm going to add now castor oil. Yeah, castor oil is so good for our hair also. It's so nice. Castor oil is so good for our hair. It helps to strengthen, grow, and protect our hair also. So I'm going to add just 2 spoons of castor oil to that also. Then I'm going to mix everything together very well. So guys, this is so easy to make if you follow this process very well. It's so easy to make. So I'm going to mix everything together, then I will add my next ingredient. So the next ingredient is shea butter. So shea butter is very important when you are making this hair pomade. It's going to also help to thicken the pomade, and it's also going to help to promote your hair and also going to help to keep your hair shiny, manageable, and all that good stuff. Shea butter is good for you to moisturize your hair and keep your hair moisturized for a very long time. So you need to add shea butter to this. Also, any butter that you have, if you have mango butter, cocoa butter, what do you call it, any other butter that you have, you can add. If you don't have cocoa butter, you have only shea butter, you can also use only shea butter. Or you have mango butter, you can also use only mango butter. Just make sure you use butter along with all the oils that you will be using. So I add also cocoa butter to this. I add shea butter and cocoa butter inside the oil. So now I'm just going to mix everything, then I will add my next ingredients. So guys, there's no every ingredient that I'm using right here, I'm going to list them at the description box below. So in case you are not following, everything will be at the description box below. So now I'm going to add just a spoon of vegetable glycerin. Glycerin is also good to keep our hair moisturized, and if you use too much, it's also responsible to take out moisture from your hair. That's why I'm using just a spoon of that. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything together. Now I will add my next ingredient. So this is emulsifying wax. So emulsifying wax is good, is going to make this hair pomade thick. It's going to help to thicken the pomade. So that's why I'm using emulsifying wax. If you don't have emulsifying wax, you can use beeswax. Okay, anyone that you have, you can also use. This is natural emulsifying wax from palm oil. So palm oil is so good for our hair. Also it helps to promote hair growth and all that good stuff. So if you don't have emulsifying wax, you can use beeswax. Okay, they are all going to work well. Okay, so I'm going to add just a spoon and a half of emulsifying wax. Here is my beeswax. I'm also going to add beeswax to it because beeswax is also good for our hair. Also guys, this pomade is natural, there's no harsh ingredients. Okay, so I add about a spoon of beeswax. So I'm going to mix. I already put my big bowl inside hot water for the wax to melt. So if your wax take a long time to melt, just put it back on the stove, on your stove, and give it some time to melt. Okay, so that we will not waste a lot of time. That's why I did not video that part. So I put it back on stove and then allow it to melt for like just few seconds. Your beeswax will melt. The emulsifying wax not really take too much time to melt. It's only the beeswax that take just little time to melt. Okay, put it back on the stove, give it some minutes, and it's going to melt into an oil. So guys, here we are, I'm back. So my beeswax have already melted, as you can see. I'm just going to mix everything together, then I will add my next ingredient. So guys, this is how far we have gone. We are almost there. So this is how far we have gone. So now I'm going to add my essential oil. So every essential oil that I use here will be linked at the description box below. This is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint is so good for our hair. You have to really add peppermint essential oil to it because the feeling when I use this pomade on my hair, the feeling was so nice. That the video is coming. I already made a video on that, on how I use this vitamin C hair pomade on my hair, guys. So good. This is rosemary and peppermint, rosemary essential oil, guys. I'll be adding like 4 to 5 drops of each essential oil into my hair pomade. So guys, this everything that I'm going to use here will be linked at the description box below. So guys, after adding everything, I'm just going to mix for everything to combine very well together with the oil and the essential oil. For everything to combine very well, I'm going to mix. So this is how far we have gone. So now I'm just going to take out my bowl out of the hot water. So it's time for me to transfer my hair pomade to a container where I will be preserving it for further use. Okay, so here's my container. I've already disinfected, wash and disinfect it. So I'm going to transfer it to inside this container for further use, guys. Just give it some hours. Your pomade is going to be solid like the one that you buy in the store. Okay, this is all natural. There's no harsh ingredients inside this pomade. So this is how moisturizing it is. Now if you use it on your hair, you are going to testify. Your hair is going to grow like never before. Your hair is going to grow like never before. What did I say? Your hair is going to grow like never before. So guys, this is my vitamin C hair grow pomade. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it for some hours, then I will be back to show you. So guys, yeah. So guys, here is my pomade. As you can see, my pomade is ready for use. As you can see how creamy, how good, how moisturizing, how looking delicious. Oh my goodness. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, tell them to tell their friends to tell their friends. So this is how to make your own all natural hair grow pomade at home. Hope you find this video helpful, like helpful enough for you to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video, guys. New video are coming, video like this are coming. I will also use it on my hair, then I will come to show you guys how I feel, how my hair feel, how my hair love it. Ciao, bye bye.